guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chaina Shah and I post videos every week. So today I have something amazing for you guys. Like I have some crazy people coming to my channel right now. So guys, just let me give me that introduction. So yeah, बताइए अपना.
Hi guys, my name is Dhruti.
And I know her since childhood oldest friend. She like
Since we were, I think, 2 years old.
वो count नहीं होता, but yeah, we were in the same building. Like she is my old building friend,
Hi, my name is Hetwi.
and she is my school friend. Like we were there together for like more than 10 to 11 years, I guess.
From 4th or 5th.
Yeah.
Before
fourth.
that, we were in the
Same class, but we never used to talk.
Hey guys, my name is Priya.
And I know her since my 9th
I'm the
standard.
newest friend, guys.
Newest, yeah. And the auntiest friend I know.
And she is the mother of our group.
Yeah, exactly.
The blogger, the fashion blogger.
Yeah, अच्छा,
I'm a
इसका.
YouTuber.
So we are all gathered here to know each other much better, and you guys should know me better. And we are shooting most likely 2. Basically game के rules ये रहेंगे कि हम turn by turn will take punch it, और उसके अंदर जो भी question आया, and guys we don't know कि इसके अंदर कौन से questions है, कौन से है, मतलब हमारे related है कि नहीं है, because ये हमारे एक दूसरे friend ने सब questions बनाया है. So हमें एक क्वेश्चन उठाएंगे और हमें जो लगेगा वो क्वेश्चन के रिलेटेड हमें जो लगेगा कि हमारे 4 में से कौन है, तो हम वो लिखेंगे. दैट्स इट. एंड विल कम टू नो कि एक दूसरे को हम कितना जानते हैं. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. तो ताकि हमारा टाइम थोड़ा बच जाए थोड़ा बहुत, तो हम श्रुति को हम एनी विच वी कॉल हर डी, कावा, जे एंड प्री. सो अगर हम कुछ शॉर्ट फॉर्म देखें तो आपको समझ में आए.
To be an abusive person. I don't need a second time in this.
Exactly. चलो 1 1 2 3.
I know everyone's gonna be. Oh yes.
Me and myself.
This was very simple though.
Yeah. My turn, na?
Yes.
Yes.
Come on, you can do it.
Most likely to spend money on shopping.
Oh, this is easy.
Yeah.
So wasting paper.
We are done.
1 2 3. Again.
J.
यार मेरे में थोड़ी क्वेश्चन है.
Oh, this is
Cute.
most likely to be excited for every small thing.
So.
One, 2, 3. D.
Bachchi.
Every time. She's small kid.
I actually knew the answer, that is I lost.
Kawa.
खागड़ी. Ajay.
Oh, I saw it.
Even I saw that.
I didn't fall in love at the first sight. I doubt one. I don't
First
know.
sight?
I don't know this answer.
Exactly.
First sight, one person was definitely not.
There are 2 people in my mind. I like both of them.
I
Same.
Not first sight.
Frank and Crush. I'm also writing two people. I guess so.
I'm three then.
बचे लोग चल वन
Wait.
डिस्क्वालीफाई ध्रुवी
I wrote two.
even I have written two.
I also have doubt on two.
अरे भैया
एक second, just I think all four of us.
नो
No.
No, चल. लिखो.
हमने नहीं लिखा है चल
Better.
देख लिया
देख लिया. 2, 3. DJ.
What you
B.
wrote? Free. I was
B
also
and P.
doubting on free.
Free.
But then I thought even you too.
then I remember my
DJ.
30th June 2018 वाला birthday
Oh, but that's why I wrote you, yeah.
I wrote your name because of my birthday
Same. Yeda, you know.
That's why I told you that
Yeda
I was
और
Peda.
Peda.
Peda हो गया.
who is most likely to jump off a building for someone
Oh shit.
चलो कल्ला करे ना 1
Say no to
2 3 say no to suicide bullshit none even I none
I don't think Priya would do it.
Exactly. I would never jump for someone.
I thought
वो उसमें कूदा गई
Exactly.
sorry
It's okay. But I won't pick that.
of course वैसे भी तू मेरा किया हुआ कहाँ करती है
Oh, shut up. Oh, shut up.
Nice, bro.
Say sorry first. I guess I
know.
even I know
Can I write two? I was writing one or two.
One.
One. Say sorry soon, na?
हाँ हाँ मिस्टेक हो ना हो doesn't matter sorry
Oh, I have someone. I'm so sorry.
ये नहीं हो गया done you done
Oh, भैया.
you done 1 2 3
Me.
तू sorry
Yeah, I say sorry. Yeah.
Oh!
Sorry बोलती है. I say.
Abuses and then say sorry.
Oh, hello.
bro you're done
Shush. I say sorry, okay?
Who's likely to be a gunda?
Oh.
This is told in introduction
Yeah.
without knowing the questions in it.
ये तू दाल कंट्रोल कर तुम्हारी माँ को न चलती 1 2 3
J.
No doubt.
Exactly, no doubt.
तुम मुझे
She is the gundi of her.
मैंने बोला था ओके सो दैट मीन मुझे जानते हो
Of course. To be a gutter. What the fuck is this?
I'm done.
I also
on,
know
you
this where it
guys.
is going, guys.
Size देख के पता तो चल गया.
Shut up, yaar.
2 3
Whoa.
free
I didn't pick this one. I picked yellow.
I'll pick blue now.
Korean drama series.
Huh? 2 people?
The most likely ना.
अरे हाँ रे
Most likely.
हाँ बट यार ये तो गलत हो जाएगा.
Most likely guys.
1 2 3
J.
J.
me.
Obviously.
Love.
Of course.
Love.
Love.
Love. I don't know what the bullshit is.
1
Love.
2 3
Love. We love you guys.
I don't watch. She doesn't watch it.
I have watched two of them.
She watches it on and off, and she's
Yes.
the
Only
sucker
one.
for Korean
Yeah.
drama.
Love, guys. This is love. We love you guys. We love you guys. And we love you guys.
And I love you guys. Cry on any goddamn situation.
Oh.
Goddamn
Oh.
situation.
Oh.
दो ना मैं
I don't know. I don't know.
शूटिंग है मैं शूटिंग है 1
If you have not watched that, 20 seconds speech.
rewind
Rewind it.
चलो 1 2 3
I also thought she would cry.
D even I wrote Kawa and D.
D.
I would to cry, but
D.
even Jaina would cry. Not on
God
every-
damn situation.
Not
But
on every
if
situation.
something comes to me, you will cry. हमारा हाथ को कोई छू जाए तभी.
Heart.
Oh my god.
लड़की के.
Oh my god. Jana, pick the
But we will
pink
cry
one.
on any situation like. फट गए तो we'll cry.
अब चुप रहे.
वरना तू कौन मैं कौन?
Most likely to beat up a guy if he abuses.
If he abuses. And who's going to beat up? The one who abuses even more.
हाँ.
ये ऐसा नहीं है. मेरे बाजू में जो है वो भी वैसा ही है.
Excuse me.
1 2 3
J.
No doubt.
Only J.
J.
Priya doesn't. She doesn't, hit a guy.
Yeah.
If he abuses.
No.
Relax.
She would only. She will participate. चल मैं भी चालू करती हूँ. She's like that. वो रोटेगी नहीं.
वो देखेंगे हम बाद में. चलो.
My turn. And it's the last one, guys.
And we are done.
What the fuck is this? Oh, but I'm like, what the fuck?
I'm trying to pick the
But we will cry on any situation.
What the fuck, guys? What the fuck?
zoom 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 zoom
Yes,
zoom
the
zoom
person
zoom.
who made the chits has done it. There were two different people.
Exactly.
The first person who wrote the questions, the second who made the chits.
Yeah, I think the second one,
And
the
the
person
person
who made the chits,
Did
she did that.
And
And she is my sister. I just मैं किसको मिला? दूसरे पोपट को.
Shut up.
रोमत.
she would cry on every goddamn thing now.
So
This was it, guys.
this is it. And we are done. मतलब ये क्वेश्चन सिर्फ मेरे लिए ही बना तो मेरे को ऐसा भी रहा सब में देखते ना कितने खुद के कितने काम करते हैं ना.
3
थोड़े बाल हटाओ कान पे इधर.
3 to D.
1 2 3 4 5
I'm sorry.
Six.
4
What is this यार? Three Idiots. Sir, आपको पता है हम कौन है?
5
और आपको हमारा रोल नंबर और नाम
Six.
पता है?
नहीं पता.
She does this in club also. You want to see?
Your subscribers are your family.
Yeah.
So
they'll understand.
आप लोगों को पता चल गया होगा कि हम कैसे हैं, मतलब मैं कैसी हूँ, सब ये लोग कैसे हैं. And we are done over here. So if you like this video, please
share,
comment,
Subscribe.
and subscribe to our channel, guys. And we hope you.
And if you guys have any idea related what I can do with them, it can be prank also. So let me know in the comment section.
Bye.